Green Ceramica from Zonkgens is a ceramic slab system for rooftop terraces. The slabs are lightweight and very strong. The patented system with fixed plate lock, developed in-house, guarantees a stable and level walking surface. The fixed plate lock is fitted with removable corner pieces, onto which the slabs are glued. By unlocking the corner pieces, individual slabs can simply be lifted clear of the paved area. At the edges against walls or other vertical structures, the special edge zone system guarantees stability by supporting and enclosing the slabs. Depending on the edge finish, there are 3 different work approaches. To lay a complete slab, first place a 2-section fixed plate lock with glue in the edge zone. To lay a cut section of slab longer than 30 cm, first place a 2-section fixed plate lock with glue in the edge zone in combination with a standard fixed plate lock also glued. To lay a cut section of slab with a length of between 21 and 30 cm, first place an edge zone disc in the edge zone with glue in combination with a standard fixed plate lock also with glue. The slabs are locked and fixed in position, but you still have access to the subsurface. The unique systems from Zonkgens always deliver a stable and durable rooftop terrace, with clean lines guaranteed.